Grow up, you booze hounds. It's just water with lime in it. Hey! Yeah! No idea what that was. Hey, welcome to the channel. Appreciate you taking the time out of your day, especially you, pals! I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on the Twitter and the Instagrams. The handle's on your screen right now. Below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. You can find pairs of shoes that are in this box and then other pairs of shoes from various other boxes right there for sale right now. If you want to check it out, that's cool. If you don't, that's fine too. Today's beater box day. This beater box comes to us from Sole Supremacy. It's a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a members only closed beater box program, but the shop itself is pretty cool. Check them out, solesupremacy.com. This box was $1,300 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Go Bears! For a grand total of $1,340. This price range makes me real nervous. The last time I got a box over $900 was a pretty bad situation, but I like to live life on the edge. Follow along with Clarence. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth according to the secondary marketplace. Then we're gonna break it down at the end to show you how much the entire box is worth versus how much I paid so we can see how much money there is possible to be made. Is that a sentence? I don't really know. Let's open the box. The main reason I don't like these high ticket boxes is because for 2 boxes that equal $1,300, I can make much more money doing that instead of just 1 box that's $1,300, but I only got this box for the channel, to be honest, and it might be easier to flip. That's the thing with these high ticket boxes is a lot of the stuff is quicker flips. Ooh, Nike SB box! The higher ticket boxes just have stuff that's easier to flip, so it might not be around as long, but we don't have any loose shoes in this one, so let's grab the first box. It's a Nike SB box. It's from the tape box era. It is a size 11. Oh, but it's a mid. So this is a dunk mid. It's an all black colorway with a gum bottom, suede upper. If I'm, okay, so correct me if I'm wrong, because I'm wrong a lot. I believe this was a CCS only release, or they might have been the first people to release it. CCS is a shop in Portland. It's a skate shop. So I think these are actually pretty limited, but again, it's from 2011 or 12, which was when the tape box era was a thing. So the quality on these SBs is not nearly as good as it was, or even currently is, but really slick colorway, black leather on the vamp and the side panel, white swoosh, black midsole and a gum outsole, which is very lightly worn. You can see even no creasing on here, so I doubt this person even skated them, but easy 9 out of 10 condition, simple slick colorway with strap on the dunk mid. I don't know what the value is on these. I know they're pretty limited, so I know retail was 90, I would imagine. It's about the same as retail, so there's your first shoe, a size 11. I believe this is called Black Friday. I think it's because it was released on Black Friday at CCS, but there you go, first shoe out, cool. The rest look like Jordans. Oh, there's one Yeezy. Let's do some Jordans. So this is I can't tell because there's a sticker over the box, but it is a size, ooh, these are old too. Size 10.5. This is, what are these, 2002? Wow. These are the FLINT 12s, and this is old. I think these are from 2002 or 3 or something like that. So with older shoes, there's gonna be a little bit of discoloration on the liner and stuff, but for a 17-year-old shoe, this is in really good shape. There's no separation, I don't think. The tabs aren't cracked. This is in really solid shape. This is when Jordan Brand was putting out like super good quality. So the leather is real nice and soft. Wow. Wow, this is really cool. It's a size 10.5, comes with the original box, I would assume. I'd have to check, but yeah, this is probably a 8-ish out of 10 condition. The problem with these older shoes is people are afraid to wear them because they might crumble, they might break apart, there might be separation. So this is probably going to a collector maybe, but really nice colorway from a really, really golden era of sneakers. So 2002 FLINT 12s. Wow. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like getting those old shoes like that. Another Jordan, older one. This is a face box. This is a size 11, looks like a Jordan 14. Yes, this is a size 11 Jordan 14 from 2005, it looks like. Wow. So in 2005, there was a Chartreuse pack of 14s that released. They did a gray Chartreuse and they did this white Chartreuse. This has a little bit of basement odor, but you can see Jumpman is still hanging out in there with the original laces with the silver tips. Size 11 is a decent size. Again, the quality on these is definitely very good, but definitely still wearable, just old. A little bit of wear on the bottoms. Probably clean them up, they'll go for cheap, but ooh, excuse me, there you go. This makes me feel good about this high ticket box. I like these older pairs. I just think this is very cool to get this kind of stuff. So let's grab this. This is a Jordan, looks like a 13. The box is not a 13 box, but it's a Jordan 13. This is the 2005 release of an Air Jordan 13. These are called Altitude. They actually recently retroed these in like 2017 or 2016, but I don't really know the subtle differences between the two because I'm not a huge 13 guy and I really don't like triple black colorways. But again, worn very lightly, a little bit of toe box creasing. Another old pair, but these look to be in solid shape. Holograms, they don't have the clear wrap on them anymore, but these are a very lightly worn pair too. Yeah, Jumpman is mostly still in there too. Just another old pair. I mean, these are 14 years old, so a lot of people do prefer this era of Jordan. So, I mean, it'll take some time to find someone to buy them, but I dig it. So size 11 Altitude 13s from 2005 in a replacement box, I believe. Let's grab this. So it's a Jordan box, looks like a more recent release. Size 10.5, Air Jordan 11 Retro Low. These are the infrared 23 lows. These are worn very lightly though. The infrared 23 aspect of these comes in on the Jumpman on the heel, and also the outsole has the infrared on there, but also on the tongue logo, there's a little bit of infrared there. But it's an 11 low. I mean, there's some patent leather creasing, just a little bit of outsole discoloration. I think these are from like 2016 or 2014 or something like that. I don't really know, but slick colorway. I don't think they ever released a high of these, so size 10.5, decent size. 70 bucks maybe out of these. Jordan 11 Retro Low, infrared 23. Cool. There's got to be some kind of crazy money shoe in here or something. Looks like a grade school size. This is a grade school 5 Youth Air Jordan 11 Retro. This is definitely a pair of Concords. It sure is. Ooh, dead stock. Okay, good. It's a pair of dead stock Concords in a size 5.5 or 5 Youth. What was the retail on the Youth ones? I don't really know. I don't know what the retail on Youth pairs are, but the Youth pairs, I'm slowly learning and trying to get the hang of it. Youth pairs are just money sizes now. I don't know why, but it's a dead stock pair too, so that's okay. The 45 on the back, higher patent leather throughout. Yeah, slick pair. 5 Youth, Jordan 11 Concord from 2018. Got 2 more in here. Got a Yeezy. It's a Yeezy 350 V2, size 11. So this is the static colorway. Yeah, static colorway. These are dead stock too. Are these reflective? Okay, this is weird. The box says reflective pair tagged non-reflective. Let's take a picture and see what happens with the flash on. Okay, I don't know if you can see the picture on there, but these are definitely a reflective pair. What? Okay, so so this is a Yeezy 350 V2 static reflective, but the box and the style ID tag are labeled non-reflective. What? This is, I don't know what's going on here. Basically, it looks like I just got the sneaker equivalent of an error card from a baseball card pack. That's super weird. I don't understand what's going on here. This is definitely a reflective pair. I just took a picture and these are definitely reflective, but the style ID tag on this one and the other one is the regular non-reflective style ID. I don't really know. It looks like Adidas may have messed up on these. They're definitely authentic because they came from Sole and they're very good about this kind of stuff. Yeah. Wow, this is weird. So this is definitely the money shoe. It has to be because these are going for like 800, 900 bucks. It might have been a situation where the seller, where someone bought these thinking they were regular and just had an unknown come up. So size 11, dead stock pair of reflective statics. Wow, this is hands down the weirdest thing I've ever gotten, shoe-wise in a box. Wow. We got one more in here. It's obvious to know what it is from the box. It is a size 12, Jordan 11, 72 and 10. Let's just check the condition real quick. Comes with the insert, very good. These are dead stock, nice. This is a dead stock pair of 72 and 11s in a size 12. You can see nowhere on the bottoms. Very simple, clean colorway. I am a big fan of this release because it's just simple. It's nothing fancy. Like I just said, I'm still reeling from those reflectives. The biggest difference on these is they have the leather tongue on a 11. A lot of it is usually canvas, but okay size, very, very good shoe to get. In dead stock condition, can't beat that. So probably worth about $275, I would think. So there you go, there's your last shoe out. It was an Air Jordan 11, 72 and 10. Sole threw me for a loop on this one. Let's give this box a grade. I don't know what to say. 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. There are 8 pairs of sneakers in this $1,300 Sole Supremacy beater box, and 3 of them are dead stock. The rest of them are in okay shape. I think 1 or 2 have replacement boxes. Condition on this box, we'll say about a B-. Sizes, we have 11, 10.5, 10.5, 11, 11 again, another 11, 5 youth, and 12. Sizes, we'll say about a B. Value, might take a couple special buyers to buy these older Jordans, but overall value in this box I think is pretty awesome. So value, pretty solid A-. So with a grade of B- for condition, the grade of B for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, this $1,300 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of, let's say, B+. Hey, I graded this box as a B+ box, but how much money are we gonna make? Let's find out.
Break down!
Like, do I list those as like new with defects on GOAT or something? I mean, they're my size. I'm not keeping a Yeezy because why? Man, that's weird. It's weird. It's cool, but it's weird. I don't know if it makes them more valuable or less valuable. Well, anyway, these shoes will be on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. All the shoes from the last double dip will be up too. So if you're a big footer size, a lot of 13 and 14 going up. So thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I appreciate it. Pretty weird box for a pretty weird guy. I have another box to open. We'll probably do that on Sunday. So till then, take care of each other and remember to treat people the way that you want to be treated. And I will see you this weekend. Boo! Bye!